Hi, my name is Bhoomi from Non-Academic, and I found a solution to another one of my friend Ranu's inaccuracy examples, and it has a problem in it. So the example is that Maggie, noodles, popcorn, and instant food, all they on their bags it says that they will be ready. The food will be ready in 2 minutes, or the food will be ready in 1 minute. But it won't accurately be ready in 2, 1, or whatever minutes, right? So the solution is that there should be on the bag or the cover, it should have a saying or writing that if the Maggie, popcorn, whatever is roasted, this is approximately how much time it'll take. If it's curly, this is how much time it'll take about. If it's stretchy, this is about how much time it'll take about. Or if it's normal, this is how much time it'll take about. Something like that. It should say, or there should be a writing or saying on the bag or the cover. And this could be not only for Maggie or noodles, it can be for popcorn and more. And instant food I'm talking about. Hope you enjoyed my unique thought. Thanks for watching and bye!